Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat app. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of PatPat and we click. Here in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.